It is the beautiful sounds of Upatile Masilela featuring Nothando Dlamini ethi umusongaga wangenzela umusongaga. 15 minutes past of 9 o'clock emsakazweni wakho phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Base Radio. Igama lami ke ngumfundo wakamthembu kuzohlala nawe nje kuze kubumbalelo na ke ihora le-12 info indlovukazi ke as well as lapha ke umakoti wasebathenjini webakithi. Sikhona nje sibongo esinomakoti umsakazi njengesakamthembu. Hey bakithi ke Queen Rejoice. Good morning la ukhona. Soyibamba nje ukhona ke lapha ke ubabunda benhle wakamyeza ukhona ke lapha nomfowethu lapha ke uThabo kaSambothi ke nesivakashi sethu ke sikhona. It is going to be epic namhlanje. Ngifuna ukuxhumana nathi ke nje ungaya lapha ke ku WhatsApp uthi nje 068 764 9969 068 764 9969. Kanti ke lapha ke lapha ku Facebook ungathi nje @inanda 884 FM update @inanda 88.4 FM update khona la solakala khona ke nje khona la einkundleni ke ezokuxhumana. Alright ke it's going to be epic namhlanje ne angazi namhlanje vele shothi khanyo ngathi akekho busy uvela wabona topic bathi mfundo. But before siqhubeke ake siqale nje la.
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Right again msakazo kama phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Base Radio. Baba undabenhle wakamyeza. Mhlawumbe ke siqale la ngithi Happy Africa Day. Angazi uma uyena nomAfrika. Kungenza ukuthi
I'm actually not.
You are not African.
No, I'm not.
I expected that. Umuthi elaborate.
I see myself as a human being.
Okay.
Not a human tag.
Yeah. Okay.
The least you can say of me which I'm melanated, but otherwise no.
So if someone will say umZulu.
Oh, shooting ushago wangqambano. No, ilembe did a good job.
But all in all, umuntu.
Human to the origin.
All right. So, as Africans, we should look at ourselves as abantu. So, if you were to brand usuku namhlanje, what would it be for you?
It should be Human Day in a certain continent. But why isn't it actually Asian Day?
No.
You call it American Day? No.
There's American
they've got a whole lot of very strange ritualistic holidays, but they don't have something called American Day. But they'll have July 14, 4th of July. They've got the death of the martyrs. They've got a lot of crazy things.
But there's also
to call it Japanese Day. About Japanese, they follow their deities. Sorry for that. Deities. Unkulunkulu babo. Yeah. So you find that the majority of the world is following their deities, not the tag allocated to them. Because even if you go to Australia, there's nothing called Australia Day, but you've got the Waikiki Massacre Day, you've got the Revolutionary Day, you've got the New Zealand People of Order and all those things, yeah. So it's crazy to me that this Africa Day is embraced by few people in Africa, because if you go to Egypt, you go to Libya, they don't have something called Africa Day. The question, who imposed this day upon us? And what is the significance of it? Yeah.
And maybe one will ask, are we including the so-called Indians, coloreds, whites, Afrikaners?
Remember, the Upper Africa does not see itself as Africans, they see themselves as Arabs. Yeah.
Sure.
What a complication. You can imagine to contact with Jewish Day or Israeli Day. They don't actually have. those people are steeped in ritualistic holidays. The Blood Day, the Feast of Purim, you know, the Zionist Day, the Day of Liberation, and all those things. But you've never had the celebration for Israeli Day.
It's something to think about. It's something to really as human beings, not as Africans, but as human beings, to actually think about why. Maybe omunye angasho ukuthi, you know what, we actually saw ourselves noma sibone ukubaleka in ourselves as to celebrate our Africanness.
Okay. Before it was called Africa, what was this land called?
Gondwana land.
What's
Gondwana land. Yeah, geographically speaking.
Yeah, because the Arabs gave us Azania.
Okay.
Which has nothing to do with us because they extrapolated it from the slave Bilal, who used to make azan for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So we are not Azanians, neither we are Africans. We're just a continent.
Where did the word Africa come from?
There are theories, which of them I find very spurious because the more you investigate that were named after Stefani Africanus, and then there's an Italian or an Empanja or Sakanjwangai. So now Africanus. So Katasha Ubalo Sakanjwangai. What was that? Because they didn't Kamadomund. Ubanu Eusebius Japan. Ubanu Stefani England. So some of these names are basically condemnation and the attitude of the people that belies. You see, for instance, I'll make an example from this. The Amachutas Bizang was Koten, but we seem to have embraced that. Anything that is non-Jewish was Koten, the wretched of the earth. They use the word Koim. Now, in this word, Koim mesel figure Ireland, Laba Ubani Kois. And then embrace as Bani, as guys. But you want to guys. We should see those Koten guys. Namapar.
Yeah, ne?
Hey guys, please, let's do this. I will be on a para street. So people who have no knowledge of the South will end up thinking the worst of themselves. Yeah.
Cabanga ke nami ngithe hey guys asingenene emoyeni manje. Sambothi sikubikelele sikomkele.
Ake sibonga umdala osigcinile. Sashilo sathi mayivumile. Siyophinde sihlangane futhi umdala uvumile ke. Nakho sibona sikwazile ukuhlangana.
Oh, okay.
Umshini yami.
Yes.
Nangu umdala uvumile saphinde sahlangana esibonga kuye. Sibongeke futhi ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi sibe nesimenywa esikhona namhlanje lesikosho ukuthi hayi no Queen Rejoice ubuka itopic hayi wavela wathi ngidla phansi la nawe wathi mawuthi ubuka itopic wayibona ikusinda wavela waqukula isudu wayigqoka ngikubona ufaka isudu angithembi njengoba ulana nje imfundo ngempela ukuthi hayi ngathi ngaphezulu kwakho mama uyigqokela isudu ngiyakubona usakhokha amandla nje usasibuza ngoAfrica Day hayi kodwa awubuye uyibambe iqini ngiyabona ke namhlanje futhi ungakangeni ngoba uzongena kusihambisi sethu sinobaba uShenge omunye ilunga lomndeni kaAsilungiseni asasho ukuthi abanjena abalaleli umlaleli ozongena namhlanje mhlawumbe umenye uPastor Olifant ongakaze awulalela uAsilungiseni sizosho ukuthi umlaleli laba abanye seba amalungu omndeni seba amalungu omndeni uShenge ilunga lomndeni eli contributor hayi ukuthi ba contributor kakhulu njengomfukeng oskills nabanye amalungu omndeni umfukeng ile kodwa ke esamgcine kwinamathikithi ka Rick Ross
Hawu.
Lokahambe yobuka Rick Ross akazaphinda konke esimuzo ohlelweni. Lokahambe yobuka Rick Ross. Abasicingela abantu ukuthi emabhida akabonakala kwenzekani emabhida ngempela.
Wafika uRick Ross wathi yo man.
Wagcina lapho ngaphela umfukenge wahlala eshethi angazi bani winning listener inanda FM esancoma ukuthi wina amathikithi phinde simbone bathi siyabonga ubabusha ngeke sithi uyicontributor uyilunga lomndeni umongameli futhi yabo sihle nomongameli estudio wePRM
ingakho kunje
washoshela akabingelele abantu uhlamba ucathi yadlala ukuthi sihle nomongameli eshanga awusondele
idonse nje
siyabonga sibingelela abamfundisi sibabengelele uButhabo obabundabeni sibingelela nomfundisi wethu la Oliphant nabalaleli nje bonke nami ngithe namhlanje cha le topic ngoba inkulu kangaka angizoyilalela live ngingayilaleli through umsakazo ngibe live useshile ubabundabeni ukuthi singabantu singabantu kodwa sine identity yethu esi-identify ngayo whether babo undabeni bayaphika abanye kodwa thina we choose ukuthi si-identify as Africans. Mina ke nje ngiya-identify ukuthi ngiya-identify laba abanye mabesaba mina ngiya-identify. Hallelujah.
Alright, umsakazo wakhomba phambili nada 88.4 FM Today's Best Radio. Uthi uyazi-identifya as an African. I think one remembers, because Mina, when I woke up today to being African Days, I mean to Africa Day, I remembered the speech of one of our former presidents. I am an African. Former President Thabo Mbeki, when he said that speech, I am an African. I think it still holds as one of the most powerful speeches or poems that ever existed, or no matter was ever said in our parliament. Basically, I don't know if we will ever have such a creative speech nowadays in our parliament. But yeah. Alright ke namhlanje babu angazi noma ngizothi usambothi sikhuluma ngomthetho enomusa mhlawumbe before ngidlulele phambili isihambele sethu namhlanje umfundisi Apostle Oliphant. Now they I won't get into it, but there's a theology, or no matter there's a scholars who say apostles, prophets abasekho in our days. But again, I won't dwell into it. I won't dwell into it.
Ngicela ukungena ngibuka isikhathi njalo. Angithi mayibuya ulokhuza uzobe se-introduce kahle. Ngicela uyifake leyo ungathi ngiyakungena kuyona ngoba phela sifuna ukumazi ukuthi kuno pastor kunabapostoli ompostoli kodwa ongekho ebandleni lopostoli ompostoli kunendida mhlambe kuzovela iclarity manje ungasici
njengoba uthi ubona isikhathi izosika isidinge
ngiyacabanga
okay sompostoli
nama ngazi ngoba vele ngizogcina ubuzwe yimini ngoba nama ngazi yabo njengoba ku Apostle Oliphant angazini umpostoli
okay yes
mfundi phela basizwe ngesizulu into ukuthi yini angazi mina yawona nje wena mfundisi
okay
kukhona abapostoli ibandla bahambe kumanje bayinkonzweni uthothe kubelethwe nengane emhlane naye kuthiwa umpostoli lebelethwe emhlanga so mina ngazi kahle kahle ukuthi yini umpostoli okay wena usuyiqalile ungayihlokoloza uyishilo
yazi yahlupha uthambo the word apostle comes from the Greek word elithi apostolos, which means the one who is sent with a message umuntu othunyiwe onomyalezo. So if sesithi thina abapostoli nabaprofeti abasekho, which means abantu abanomyalezo osuka kuNkulunkulu uyakubantu, we mean ukuthi abasekho.
Nanko kumbuzo wami nale ngane belethwe umhlanje ithunyiwe njengoba kuthiwa naye umpostoli.
Asazi kulaba balento uzophatha ngikhuluma mina ngeoffice esizolu introduce namhlanje, the apostle,
the apostolic office.
Uzosichazela umpostoli ufihlo umuntu ke nakulaba apostoli osubabalile usuzile nje.
Futhi ngizamile ukuvula lomlilo. Uthabo unenkado bakithi.
Ngifuna ukwazi.
Okay, sino umpostoli la, umpostoli Oliphant, umpostoli sikubingelela sikwamukele emsakazweni Inanda 88.4 FM.
Ake ngibingelele kakhulu umsakazo wethu omhle kangaka Inanda FM, ngibingelela kakhulu umfundisi wami umsakazo wethu.
Yes,
ngibingelela abahlonishwa bami lapha ya babo Sambothi nobaba eNdabe. Ngiyahlonipha kakhulu, sibingelela kakhulu nomengameli nobaba uThelesi.
Yes,
sibonga kakhulu lithuba engilithola namhlanje.
Yeah.
Cha ngiyanizwa nje nikhuluma indaba yobupostoli kaze nizonga about ngumpostoli. Ngishiso ukuthi ngesikhathi ngibhala ngicela isithombe sami la ngathi uPastor Oliphant.
Oh yeah.
Liyebo apostoli hayi sengizwa la kunina senikhulume na inkankanya ke nani, but I think ke mhlawumbe ke one day yokukhulumeke because into yobupostoli kahle it is the one who has seen God. Ombonile siyathunywa.
Okay.
Ombonile si omitheleyo.
Yes, uthi
ombonile wasiyathunywa.
Yes.
You know, awuthonyiwe nje kuphela kodwa obonene naye.
Yes.
Wisithunywa uyena.
Yeah.
Because all the apostles ababekhona babonana naye. Buqu base beyathunya wena futhi babephethe umyalezo direct from uYeshua.
Umpostoli ngicabanga ukuthi komele ukuthi ubuye sibuyele yona le ngoba isikhathi sami kuzothiwa sesidliwe yintsha abafundisi badla isikhathi abafundisi.
Nazi izindaba zeNanda 88.4 FM noNonduduzo Nomvalo.
Alright, umsakazo wakho phambili Nanda 88.4 FM. Today is base radio Iyane. Sesibuyile ke manje la ohlelo lethu la khona sithi khona ke asilungiseni namhlanje ke uhlelo lethu njengoba sesi introduce lapha ke uSambothi ku Apostle Oliphant. Kubhalwe kanjalo bafethu phansi. Okay, umfundisi Oliphant. Namhlanje sikhuluma nge-law and grace. It's a doctrine. It's a law and grace doctrine. Mhlawumbe mase siqale si unpack ukuthi uma sikhuluma nge-doctrine what are we talking about, and nanokuthi ke when we talking about law and grace, what are we talking about? We're talking about law in terms of what, and in terms of grace, what are we talking about? Angazi ngiqale kuphi, ngiqale kumfundisi mhlawumbe ngasiqale in formula when we're talking about, because la topic it's a law and grace doctrine.
Sure.
I think it's wise ukuthi siqale sithi what is a doctrine. Masikhuluma nge-doctrine sikhuluma ngani? Yeah.
Ngiphinde ngibingelele kakhulu nabalaleli bethu beNanda FM. Engathi kumnandi le studio. Ngihlezi ngibuka kakhulu la. Ngilandele ubaba Ndabe.
Yes.
Ngimbuka live ku TikTok.
Yes.
Sike saba naye futhi nakwandoda kaZumbani yezwe Madikizela. Yes. So usibuso kakhulu emphakathini wethu nakubantu nje ngokuthi akwazi aniphekhele izinto eziningi nezinkulu. No mhlambe ngamazwi amafishane i-doctrine ngingathi imfundiso thizeni esuke khona noma ekuyona ekholekelayo ngaleso sikhathi noma abantu abathiza mase ngibeke nje anginasizulu esiqondile. So endiwasukhuluma kakhulu ngendaba ye law and the grace. bayithi ke bathi doctrine bayazazi ke abanye ke abayingculo bachopho ekuhlaziyeni izinto ezinjalo kodwa nje ngifisa ukuthi ke la sibuke nje ilone neGrace umusa umusa nje umusa akukhona iMercy bekhona iGrace
yes
iGrace into wenzelwe yona ungayifanele awufanele ukwenzelwa yona but ngiyawenzela yona
yes
so bese ukuthi iMercy ukuthi la bekumele khona ukuthola ipunishment bese ungayitholi ipunishment itholwe yimina like sithi kunomunye okwacula wathi Mercy rewrote my life Mercy rewrote my life kusho ukuthi kwakumele ngabe kufethina lapha ngabe kufa umuntu so but yabanjwa ipunishment ekumele iye kumuntu but yakumnye umuntu
yes
iMercy le so but iGrace ke into senzelwe yona esingayifanelwe
yes
mhlabe kuningi isikhathi sethu noma isho iqhubeka sizokubuka sikumbule kakhulu ke base ukuthi ilo kumthetho maningi amalozi ayikhona masibheka ngokwezwi likaNkuluNkulu kwakunama ceremonial laws maningi ngeke ngikwazi ukubala wonke lawa yu3 300 600 and what yes 613 ama Mosaic laws ama ceremonial laws ayikhona bese kukhona ama decalogues ama moral laws and then ama 10 commandments mhlawumbe ke sizo mina ngumuntu okholwa kakhulu eBhayibhelini
yes
ku script ngiyakholwa kusona kakhulu ukuthi kube isona esizikhulumelayo ukuthi ithini into mhlawumbe sizobe sesifika nala khona sikwazi ukucacisa ethweni eningi khona lento ithi we are under grace we are no longer under law asikho phansi komthetho siphansi komusa yes the Bible does say that but now sibukuthi ke was the law done away with imiphi imithetho isakhona as they still valid if they are still valid kanjani so uma sithi ke asikho phansi komthetho siphansi komusa umusa ngabe umusa ukuthuma ukuthambo kona yini ungena phi umusa ke ezintweni ezikanjalo ngicabanga ukuthi ke okunye kwakho esothi ke sibheke sibuka ngokusizana nje nama panelists ami mhlambe ke sibheka sifake izibuko zakwamoya nezibuko zolwazi bese singena khona kakhulu.
All right,
yeah, that's my number say submission yami.
Yes, mhlambe ke just maybe in short because uthe idoctrine isifundiso sabantu abakholelwa entweni ethizeni ngamanye amazwi lana sizobheka lesi sifundiso lesi noma lemfundiso ekhona lento sizoyibheka namhlanje just to simplify for even ugogo osekhaya. Yes, mhlawumbe babundabe masithwa siyangena mhlawumbe from African perspective what is iGrace and nina it's in African perspective in terms of grace.
In perspective, if you study African history, uzoyibheka ngo 225 year 225 not 225 BC year 225 we are looking far beyond the Abrahamic era or the Mosaic era. The question is, how did black people see themselves? They saw themselves as grace. The African idea of God is simple. We are gods in human form.
Okay.
Yeah, again, paint food. Black people saw themselves as gods, but in human form, and they were quite henotheistic, just like religions around the world are henotheistic. Remember, the concept of monotheism in Israel.
Yes,
and it was actually promulgated in 1665. Even Christianity has never been, monotheistic. The concept of monotheism started with Jews when they were uniting politically, abantu, so that they can follow one kingdom, one way of life, to create some type of homogeneity.
Okay.
Then monotheism started. The question is, before monotheism, then what did people believe in? They were henotheistic, as I said. They were deities that form part of my celebration, the worship, and the idea. So this is how black people saw themselves. They saw themselves as oneness of a mighty power.
Okay.
Then they said, okay, but to get to this power, My association with the sun, the rivers, the moon, and the sanctity of the earth allows me to gain mercy from the superpower. Waseqala ke concept modimo but badimo. So the badimos can actually lead me through grace if I behave, if I don't trample on another person's needs, if I don't violate the social needs, if I don't urinate in the river where human beings drink, if I don't covet my neighbor's wife, if I don't steal from the altars of the society. You see? Yeah. So you say a God cannot do this. That is how people saw themselves. So then what happened? Both Islam, Judaism, then it began to externalize God. A universal God that is worship, that is outside human makeup.
Okay.
And then each nation will give this God a particular name according to the racial language. Now, what the Jews did, they did a masterpiece. Remember, Yahweh was a stone. A stone. Literally each. He was disembodied and given spirit. El was a bronze. Umuya angaze manje kusikliwa usisekhona leso insizwe ethe kanjena engenakhanda yabo. That was El. But later on, all these were then disembodied to give them spirituality. Then they became the source of worship for the people. So people began to see themselves according to the laws that they make. Then they started to write doctrines. Ama doctrines are suitor the God that they were. Now follow mercy. They would then say, we are doing this because the mercy of the God that we have established has fallen upon us and revealed to us things that we're doing. Yeah. But in ngesikhathi bese henotheistic mfundisi babengayibuki kanjalo. Babecanga ukuthi no, I'm in grace, I'm one with grace. I live a graceful life, and for that I get the rewards of grace and mercy upon me. But then sekunama deities or worship or Allah or God or Banban, then the whole concept changed. Kwathiwa ibona who bring the mercy and the grace upon humanity.
Okay. Yeah, ngiyakuzwa baba. Yes, and you taken from the historical perspective.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uzokhumbula ngalesikhathi amaRoma were worshiping Jupiter.
Yes.
But amaRoma was different because they believed that Jupiter, uyena who was merciful upon them. You know that. Yeah. So when the worship of Jupiter ceased to happen, then it was then attributed to the Almighty God. Yeah.
All right, okay. Mhlambe mfundisi mesasibuyele kuwena apostle. Because ubamdamendlo sese wayithatha historical in terms of Africanism. In mhlawumbe sesiyilande in terms of Christianity in Christianity, because I know ukuthi ubamdamendlo will say will argue with the word Christianity, but umfundisi is from a Christian background. So can we allow him to?
No. Why reduce it to debate? This is a scholarly session where knowledge shall be shared.
Yes.
No debate.
No. Yeah. I'm just want him to take us through, because it's law and grace.
Yes.
To give us that his perspective in terms of that background, so that we can maybe try to join.
Okay.
The two. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
No. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mhlambe ke la singayiqala khona. Mhlambe siqala with the book of Bereshith, the book of Genesis sazi kanjalo. Chapter 1 la khona kudalwa khona umuntu. Khona into ekuthiwa essentially indawo engcwele kaNkulunkulu la khona uNkulunkulu ayibonakalisa khona. Uma sibheka even kuma Leviticus incwadi zabalevi sibona khona essential ama tabernacle even ko Exodus sibona khona futhi amathebanakele kwakukhona into ethiwa sanctuary akuthi tabernacle eyayinama apartment awu2 yayihlonisa kanje yayifike ibe nesango elingase east liface iwest la khona umpriest wayengena ngakhona mhlambe one day siyobheka ukuthi kungani liba ngase east bese libheka west bese kuba khona indawo ekuthiwa i-courtyard umusu ngena ngaphakathi esangweni kube khona i-courtyard la ngaphakathi kwe-courtyard kukhona i-altare la khona umpriest wethu umuntu mesevuma izono noma isizwe sesivuma izono nge-day of atonement bese ke kuhlatshwe leyo umvu leyo bese umpriest angene before angene kwi-holy of holies kwi-holy place weqala geze kwakunento ukuthi ilava la khona egeza khona ikhanda bese kuthi mase kukhona indawo zo2 i-holy place ne most holy place.
Okay.
So la we holy place kokhona into ezazingaphathi ezazikhona kwakukhona the table of the showbread lezi zikwazi ukubuka ezibo 12 every Sabbath zayishito ufake fresh bese kuba khona inle itafula le uthi lwebanisa isikhombisa lelingala ku far left extreme left bese kuba khona lapha phambili kube khona itafula lani lempepho la umpriest elishisa khona impepho emili prayer ukuthi uzwakalile umthandazo noma into yomuntu ayinjani ayikhuluma so kuthiwa intuthi yayivele uma ngabe umthandazo noma ukunxusa kwesizwe Israel because ohlala ngaphandle ngegabezo 3 uma khona awu 4 that's why we New Testament we've got first 4 ama synoptic gospels awu 4 now that into Jehova uyenze ku Genesis i-sanctuary mind ukuthi i-garden of Eden iplantwe yenziwe yaba ngase east ingase east uje uNkulunkulu befika uNkulunkulu kube khona into yakhe ayenzayo ibe yinhle bese bakhona special yakhe aphinda ayenze futhi uthe uNkulunkulu umhlaba ngokaJehova baba wathi umhlaba kaJehova nokugcola kwawo
yes
so ufika wenza umhlaba emhlabeni awenzile wese place at the garden of Eden i-garden of Eden is sanctuary kaNkulunkulu because lapha siyakhumbula kwakunama trees awu2 la uNkulunkulu ayoplantile wathi enye kule isihlahla ungadla kusona the tree of life ungadla kusona kwasukuba lesi sihlahla sithi isihlahla sokwazi ukuhle noku
yes
that was a prohibited tree okwakumele singadliwa kusona because uma udlile uyakufana ukufa akithi it was the tree of death angisho njalo but ngifuna ubukeke ilo uNkulunkulu mase esedala umuntu because uJehova uqale wa prepare a place wangaqala prepare umuntu wa prepare a place amba ukuthi indawo eseyiprepare wese prepare a person wampreparela ukuyombeka endaweni eprepare uNkulunkulu
okay
but uma esembeka kuNkulunkulu umuntu usethi kuNkulunkulu ke ungadla kuna yonke imithi but thou shall not thou shall not awungeke udle so yayizwe lo yaqala ilo sibuka uNkulunkulu wegrace because yonke into idalwe ngegrace you know uNkulunkulu sajadala umuntu wayengeke even though umuntu wayekuNkulunkulu but wengekho physical because konke kwadalwa ngayo lithi iBhayibheli umuntu uNkulunkulu eqale ulizwe kuNkulunkulu angithi uJesu lo Yeshua Mashiach so uma sedala uNkulunkulu udala umuntu ngomusa wakhe yonke into yenza ngomusa wakhe umuntu uzoresta noThixo ngoemseni kaNkulunkulu iyaqala manje lo iyavela usethi ke ungadla kodwa ungadli kilo that was the law khumbula phela ukuthi umuntu wayengakoni umuntu angaza kubona ukona so i-law ayivezwanga ukuthi umuntu usonile i-law uJehova uyisho kumuntu umuntu engakoni uthi idla but ungawudli lo usayibeka kusethi ke umudlile you shall surely die mhlambe si stretch one day uthi uma uyokufa nokufa what does that mean uma sesikubheka manje contextually uyokufa nokufa now ake ngizela nake banikezwe ilo because kwakumele ukuthi uAdam beno Eve bafide kulomuthi welife. Why lo muthi welife emfundisi umvelasi lo muthi wawunjenge battery charger ye life yabo Adam. That's why they lived longer.
Yes.
Because each generation yayiphile emva kuAdam yayise fresh yayisathole lo msoco from Adam kuma genes wabo. So yayi battery charger usethi uNkulunkulu yazini because sewudlileke usebeke ingelo sezu2 the very same two angels les ezayitholakala kwi most holy place la kwi most holy place wangena umpriest kanye ngonyaka kwakune ark of covenant yayina two terrible stones phakathi bese kuba khona lezi ingelo sezu2 ezayimile uLucifer the light bearer bese kuba khona ubani uGabriel uGabriel zazinama phiko asibekelayo avala ubuso amanye ayabhabha kanje amanye avalile la you know those two angels and those two angels swabona lapha kwi sanctuary lapha kwi garden of Eden ngesikhathi sebedlile usethi uNkulunkulu lalelakhe wena ngelosi ngiyonibeka lapha ukuthi akanga uAdam akangaluli isandla sakhe asilulele phezulu komuthi why because usenjani usedlile all right now and kunale mfuli u4 this amapisho lemfuli u4 eyayingena ingenela lapha ya one day ngoba ngikho lapha siyobheka ukuthi lemfuli u4 ichaza ukuthini kwi sanctuary now aba uthe uNkulunkulu uzofa ngithi akadlanga uEva wadlu Eva by the way akuyena uNkulunkulu akhuluma ngalo Eva uthi ukhulume noAdam that why uma sebedlile esedlile uEva akafanga uAdam uEve instantly uma eqhamuka uAdam uthi awumani uyazi inkosikazi wami ubaby udlile but akukho kufa then because if fruit elinqanelekile wadlu uAdam uma edlu uAdam instantly yasuka ingubo yenkazimulo asuka ingubo yenkazimulo ababekhavwe ngayo we can even read that but Psalms 104 sibheka inkazimulo uNkulunkulu ayembathise umuntu ukusoka inkazimulo kwaqala kwangena ukufa now ithi into babalekisa ukwazi ukuthi sobonile you know babalekisa ukwazi ukuthi sebenjani sebonile uma sebazi kusebonile because umuntu wona engakenzi angiqale lapho umfundisi wami umuntu wona njani engakenzi uthi uyobulala usonile vele ayiqali into yokona ngoba naku usuthi sengikubolalile ubaba uNdabe usefile
yeah. All right, ngimsakazo wakhomba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. All right, Sambothi ngiyacabanga ukuthi la sesitholile ilentos I background because umfowethu usayibambe ngala kwalo
I've got questions. A story of Fudokoza, the story of Eden, was it not the triumph for mankind?
Was not for the
triumph for mankind,
meaning
to say here is a tree that they're not supposed to consume,
yeah,
but they eventually
in fact it was not a tree, it was trees.
It was trees.
They
ate those trees.
No, they ate one tree
of the trees that were there.
Yes. Okay,
was it not a triumph and victory for mankind?
What they ate?
Yeah.
How can it be?
This is how I'm a theologian, so I'm very careful not to desecrate
yes
the authenticity. But let me expand exegetically and exegetically so that I can not get stuck with hermeneutics. E.g., if ever it happened in the first place,
yeah,
I normally say to myself, no, that was a victory and triumph for mankind. Here was an instruction that they should not consume that. But their spirit of adventure, the human godness and goodness in them allowed them to venture and actually participate in that. And then they experience knowledge. But we shall see that after the news.
Yeah, something to think about, lots to think about. Msakazo nokhamba Belinanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Isekhona leyo ntokazi uNonduduzo. Right, ke umsakazo wakhomba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio ekwazwa mnandi studio. If you are not live on TikTok, contact put live. Sabo Sambothi khona into othi hayi man ngifuna ukuza nayo nami
ngishoshe network
it's Law and Grace.
kwabalokhuza ulive network hayi ngithi ngisabathe iloku iphikile njalo. Yes, no, sibonge kumfundisi usehambe nayo kakhulu. Engikuthandayo ilokho aqale kukona wayiqala kuGenesis ile ndaba yeGrace ekhulunywa ngayo ngoba isikhathi esiningi abayikhulumayo baqhamuka sebecaphuna lapha ya encwadini yabase Efesi 2 iqala lapho nje makukhulunywa ngelo
nalapho late kakhulu
so ila iqalwa khona ngoba iyona ncwadi
bese kuba sengathi into kaPaul
kuba njalo hayi nokuthi bayibeka kanjalo phela ukuthi no thina asaphinga ngaphansi komthetho sesiphila ngaphansi komusa bese lo ncwadi Efesi 2 nandi iBhayibheli ngicela ngifundela mfundisi ngoba incwadi abahlale beyifunda le 89 futhi Efesi 2 89 iyona ncwadi ehlala ifunda manje uma kufika umfundisi kodwa ulive wami ungenzani hayi umlalelo lapha uyasala engihlulekile no mfundisi ngale uzame wahluleka
okay
ilokhu right on awufundi
okay ngokuba ngomusa nesindisiwe ngokukholwa nalokhu akuveli kini kuyisipho sikaNkulunkulu uverse 9 akuveli ngemsebenzi ukuze kungabikho osibongayo
yazo ila iqalwa khona ke ngihlale ngibalalela even kuma podcast nakephi masebelwa nendaba yomthetho kuthathwa lencwadi kusetshenziswe yona umfundisi ke hayi ukhombise elinye izinga mayethi yena iqala kuGenesis so na kwi Old Testament iGrace ikhona kodwa manje yenziwa indaba kaPaul wabuya live wayikwangcono Facebook live nangu so uyaconnect
which is why mina Thabo I'm going to fight for this one. Adam did not see God's plan and vision.
Yeah, okay. Ngibuyele kule kaPaul. Leli verse ngike ngilibuka emfundisi wami uOlifanti njengekuthi la hijack uSathane.
Sure. Yeah.
Ngokuthini usuke efuna ukusebenzisela ukuphula imithetho.
Okay.
Ukuthi ayingabi sagcina umthetho kaNkulunkulu bese kusetshenziswa bonke labantu abasebenzisa leli verse basebenzisela ukuphula imithetho kaNkulunkulu. Whereas uJesu kuMateyu 5:17 uthi akukho esicashana esiyakudlula lingakadluli izulu nomhlaba so uJesu yena ngala uthi abantu abayigcina imithetho futhi uthi akho sicashana esiyodlula ngalapho bese kuthethwa lo 8 and 9 kuthiwa no umthetho wabethelwa mhlawumbe ngalina ngazokhuluma nangalo umthetho wabethelwa
kakhulu ukuthi siyafisa kakhulu sidwele much on that
sibe very deep lo mthetho wabethelwa ngaphela silande kuleli verse laba Efesi kodwa ngizoyishela kwena ngoba kahle ingawe lento wena uzosintroducela lento kodwa mina bengidlula kule yabase Efesu ngoba iyona esetshenziswayo akuze ngafikwa lapha kuGenesis la uyiqale khona angikade isikhathi sakho mfundisi
ukhona into engiyisho before ngithethe umfundisi and it has always sounded controversial. I don't like controversy. But Christians are very uncomfortable with the truth across the spectrum. As I've debated with Christians, white Christians abroad, especially like Alex O'Connor, Matt Dillahunty, recent of Against Young, or Jeff for Truth. Umuntu engisamfisa uAlex uLambert but khona umama na ungipromisile uDr Stavropoulos. I like how they would open up kanje bakunikeza perspective omunye ugogo ulive sobanayo ngoJuly uthi Paul never existed. We a figment of imagination of people who wanted to compose certain laws that will suit a certain region. Because uthi look umulandelane khona izinto that she swears appear to have been written by Paul that were never written by Paul. Ila mina mfundisi ngaqala khona ukuchallenge lo mqondo wabantu othi abantu besifazane they must not go to the pulpit. Yabo lonto 33 years later it appears in the scriptures but in the original manuscripts ayikho. Uyabona ukuthi apho sesenjani sekusuka le lameness of the mind where grace is given thina sithi no grace has got limitations. You know, like if grace is abounding, which is my philosophy,
yes
then a woman must be in the pulpit.
Yes. Yes.
If grace is abound, ngeke unkosikazi the mother of nature, the woman. Subjugate paternalistic lousy philosophy of men. Men who have no vision, who don't even understand the purpose of God. Then if a woman is going to lead a nation and sire another Jesus, we need another Jesus. So therefore the woman must be in the pulpit. The put is abound grace, the abounding of grace. By the way, it has never changed, it has never stopped. Grace is still grace.
For this.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Hayi kumanzi phansi.
Hayi kushubile.
Hayi engathi la ekhaya angisasusa ngizoba nami umntwana la ekhaya.
Nami kanjani umfundisi? Nami kanjani?
Now bengisela ku Genesis angafunda ukuya phezulu nakephi ngoba abantu abaningi okay asikala what is sin biblically nje yini sono I definition yesono sithola lapha kwincwadi kwa 1 John u3 uverse 4 uJohn 3 uverse 4. So uverse John 3 verse 4 udescribe noma define ukuthi yini sono ifike ithi sin ithi wonke umuntu oweqa umthetho wenza isono bese ithi ke sin is lawlessness. You know I definition yeso and mawufunda iBhayibheli ayikho I definition ebekwa kanjalo ngaphandle kwa 1 John 3 verse 4. Then when you now go back to the book of Bereshith in Genesis ithi ke what did Adam do? Ithi Adam transgressed. Adam weqa in umthetho othini thou shalt not ungadli uthumbuzo bathe esebedlile what happened wangena isono into ababenza babaliswa intoni isono because they transgress kuNkulunkulu. Khumbula ukuthi uma ubuza ukuthi akathi ever ukuphina. By the way angithi to help because yeah help us to asa in Hebrew. So ungumsizi wakhe. Ngiyayithanda esho I think of the whoever was very powerful because awukwazi ukwenzela umuntu umsizi abomangezela umsizi kumele abe powerful kunami. Angeke nginikeze umuntu ethiwa umsizi ozoba ngapha engizophinde ngim overpowerish kusho ukuthi khona lento ayizanayo uEva ezosiza uAdam entweni kaNkulunkulu. So wona uAdam buku ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasho Eva ukephi uthi Adam ukuphina ngoba lento ukuthi ungadli uEva ayitholanga from God direct uyithole kuAdam as priest over yena. So na umuntu ekumele account akusiwe Eva kumele account uAdam. Uyayibona lonto. So now uza ne films excuse uAdam uthi yilo mfazi unike yena because yonke into ayingayo Eva into ingo Adam okuyena othi instruction from God kwakumele uAdam yena ayibambi into uNkulunkulu ayishilo ukuze indaba ayikho ngeEva
bese vikela into eshiwo
uNkulunkulu
Adam
aqala lapha amadoda ukwenza ama excuses ngoba ngafuna ukuthatha responsibility
even up until today.
That's the first curse of men. They refuse to take responsibility from the Garden of Eden. Bokuthi amadoda messed up kanjani indoda ingakhokhela ibond ingakhokhela school fees ifihlela unkosikazi obezosukuma kushintsha izinto kube khona okwenzakalayo. Yabona ke curse of Adam. Are you not saying to me amadoda that living under the curse of Adam self-imposed? It was God. God grants grace. What does man do? He chooses that grace from God is not enough for him. Look at how messed up men are today. Sorry.
And that's why bamdabe is it iBhayibheli ngoAdam safa alisho ngoEva safa. Lithi ngoAdam safa. So uEva akangeni kuya yonke lento akangeni. So akangeni nje asingamfaki. asifake lo muntu okwakumele abamba ukusho aphile nakubamba ukuthi ngesikhathi edlule uEva ayikho inkazimulo yasukayo ayisuka ngenkazimulo ngoba uAdam wezoyibona inkazimulo even uEva uAdam wezofika uEva sebaleke kudala yini pho babaleke ngoba sekudla uAdam so ayizange isuka inkazimulo kudla uEva still now was when still she was still intact so umefika uAdam ebuka inkazimulo ebuka ukufa kungekho phambi kwabo so now useyathi because ubuka engathi lento eshiwo inyoka engathi iqinisile you know uhashathana umesedla inkazimulo instantly yasuka inkazimulo you know now buka ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenza njani ngithe ithi iBhayibheli sin is the transgression of the law so beqa umthetho then sin entered sathole access isona kumuntu you know buka uNkulunkulu umuntu wenzeni umuntu ke umuntu uhamba ngenxa ukuthi ilaw isimjajile and ilaw ithwele ukufa ilaw ithwele isono uhamba vele uzikhava yena ngamandla bathatha ama fig tree leaves bazikhava ngawo uthi wenza uNkulunkulu chapter 3 verse 21 Genesis ithi uNkulunkulu wathatha imvu wayihlaba and that leamvu imele uYeshua himself wathatha imvu wayihlaba wayesebambathisa ngesikhumba that's the grace it means ilaw ayisho ukuthi ilaw ayisho ukuthi igrace ayikho and igrace ayilicense ukuthi hambe yokona
yes aphinde futhi le
igrace ayikunikeza license okay because ufuna igrace hamba kuyokona so ifika la sithola khona la khona uYeshua efika lapha lapha emthonjeni la khona owesifazane ekuthiwa ubanjwe ephinga kodwa balethwa abantu aphinge nabo bapha babephinge naye ngibona laba bephinge naye ababesamfisa besamhalela futhi kulala naye buka ke baphethe umthetho baphethe umthetho baphethe law bathi ngokumthetho kaMoses kulothi ukuthi umuntu mebanje kanje lalela inkosi sibhala phansi is grace la kwahlana ilaw negrace kanye kwaqala mfundisi ukuthi kuhlangana ilaw negrace kanye kumele kucace ukuthi yiphi umkulu yiphi encane mabe igrace ayikho siyibona lapha uma be ilaw ayikho siyibona lapha but ngesikhathi inkosi uYeshua isikhuluma nowesifazane uyazi thini ithi bapha bakumangalelayo ithi abekho izwi inkosi ithini ithi neither do I condemn thee uthi nami angikulahla izwi grace ithini ithi ngosi grace ithi angikulahla bekumele ngiyakulahla but angikulahla he said but go and sin no more that's the thing hamba ungaphinde wona ithi igrace ayithi abana I wish ngelilanga esihlanu nabafundisi abasindisiwe nami ngisindisiwe but sihlanu abafundisi ke si unpack the grace lena ethi abantu abenza noma kanjani because we're not under law we're under grace okay I understand but imiphi imithetho that were that were abrogate eyachithwayo
ayikho
you understand sibuthi iyiphi eyachithwa iyiphi engachithwanga engachithwanga ichithanga kanjani now uNkulunkulu ke wahlaba imvu uma sebembathisa usembathisa abantu abaphula ilaw ubambathisa ngegrace because ukubuyiselwa kwabo kwiposition kwangeke babuyiswe beyibuyisela bona ngokwenza kwabo kodwa babezobuyiswa igrace bebephule the law and igrace yabo yayithi abangaphinde bone ngoba nakusebethola igrace so igrace lapho kuGenesis is so huge singakena kuyona ngokusensual sibhekene naphakathi lapha kwiGarden of Eden sibuka ilaw and the grace ukuthi ayikaze is ikhathekos isin is the abantu abathi ilaw ayikho abathi grace ayikho it means they mean to say there is no sin once wathi nje umthetho awukho uchaza ukuthi isona sikho
in fact I think it's the book of Galatians yes. For the law of grace is love
exactly
ngoba umthetho I stand to be corrected I think umthetho womusa uthando and Matthew uthi na umthetho nginikeza wona
yes
thandanani ngamanye amazwi umthetho usekhona as much as umthetho ukhona negrace ikhona
yes
asikwazi ukuseparate the two
you can't ifana lento nokuthi uma ngabe umuntu eboshiwe tata umuntu uyaboshwa ejele bese ethola letho iparole uboshwe umthetho uphula umthetho iparole ngathi umusa but uma ethola iparole umuntu ngaphandle ithi into asikuthola yosayina awungayi nendawo lapho uma ungaphandle udludla kwakho awugqoka ingobo zangaphakathi ukwazi ubona kodwa umthetho
utholile umusa kodwa
nomusa but ilo isakubhinde ekhona usemthethweni usemseni so ayuthi umusa hamba ke manje uyophinde yobulala uyabona masuboshiwe bekuthiwa kubheka ukuthi awukazi utholana namacala njengala because umusa uthi phindele kubulaleni so thina abazalwane sichaza ukuthi umusa uchaza ukuthi wona that why abefundisi bephinga kangaka that why abefundisi befeba kangaka that why abefundisi behlobo kangaka benza izinto ezimanyala because but no one saved always saved
mfundisi ngiyabonga ngithandile nale kankosikazi wabanjwe ephinga ngifuna ukuhamba emazweni akho nje
that's right
ngoba isikhathi ebanjwa lapha ya nalabo ababemlethile in fact kwakuyizitha ikaJesu futhi because babewazi umthetho ukuthi umuntu obanjwe kanje letha lona ukuthi ayingekho indoda akakhandwe ngamatshe kwawumthetho kaMose lo but ngaleso sikhathi kwaIsrael umbuso ubuphethwe amaRoma now bazomgaxelisa kumaRoma uJesu bamgaxelisa kabili bamgaxelisa ngala baFarisi nabaSadusi bamgaxelisa kumaRoma kufanele asho yena ukuthi uthini umthetho uthi umthetho akakhandwe ngamatshe bese beyambulala unkosikazi bese beyotshala amaRoma ngoba inhloso yabo ukuthi yena akaboshwe akabula bese beyotshala amaRoma mase bafica amaRoma ukuthi nimbulale kanjani umuntu waphela fanele kanje anikwazi ukuyibhashela umthetho ngizali bese bethi kusho unangu uMesiya wethu yena uthi asimkhande ngamatshe bese yabanje uJesu yabo so babeqonde ukumgaxelisa not ukuthi babeqonde ukuthi igcina umthetho nangoko-ke esebhala ngomunwe ngesandla ke bhala zonke iphingi lezela
yes exactly
ngoba phela akuvele eBhayibhelini ukuthi wabhala ukuthini kanti wayesebhala ama combination ngoba kuthiwa wababuka wayeseyabhala useyabhala usibanibani sebehamba ngawani ufika lunguze lo abona igama lakhe libhalwe phansi abona igama laphi ngenaye aphuma adlule baphuma ngawani wazosala yedwa unkosikazi engasekho useyabuza ukuthi bapha bamangalela ngoba seyibalekile zonke lezi iphingi zibone eyibhala phansi yena uJesu emhlabathini ukuthi nathi kuzoshela nangesesivese ngibona isikhathi la ngathi sekusekonakeni
bound by law released by grace here is the deal
kuyashinyelwa namhlanje
quickly you see ngisuka la and ngiyo analyze the whole family out of hatred
okay
I analyzed 15 people then I dissolved into my hideout of sinfulness but something then pervades within my soul no I can't go on like this then I accept Jesus as a
Lord and Savior. Am I free of the souls that I analyzed? How do I stand before the presence of God? Nabandaba 15 about analyze. If ever heaven was there. Ngicela sibuye sizoqhubeka nobaba undaba enhle kaMyeza yo
Nanda 88.4 FM when we return more of the music you love.
Beautiful sounds of Jilly Joe. Athi uyezwa uyabona I always play this song for umphathi wethu because she loves this song. She loves this song. Uthi nje uNkulunkulu wethu ngiyeza dala indlebe bese ngezwe which means whatever sicelo engisisa uNkulunkulu uzosizwa ngoba wadala indlebe it means nayo uyezwe. Right, this is the beautiful sounds of Jilly Joe. Khula emsakazweni Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Isekhona panelist yami. Uyabona namhlanje ungakaze ezokuthoka unento ethi altar call uzoyibona ke namhlanje.
Phezukwayo.
Hey, Saboti.
Yes. Ngicela ukudlula la ku Satanic Bible.
Okay.
Bible ya Satan. Njoba leli lethu nama 10 commandments elika Satan na 9 kwababiza ke ngama 9 statements ngizofunda umthetho wes8 kwi Satanic Bible othi Satan represents all of the so-called sins as they all lead to physical, mental or emotional gratification. Sure. Now uma kusetshenziswa ke le yancwadi yabase Efesi 2 u8 no9 njengoba ngithe i-hijack oSatan bathi noma ungenza noma yini as long as uhappy wena uthethelelwe asikho isono uyabona ukuthi leyo nto ifakazela lento ebhalwe la ku Satanic Bible ukuthi Satan represents all of the so-called sins as they all lead to physical and mental emotional gratification zonke lezi zinto esithi ziyizo ekuthiwa ziyizono nje ukuthi hayi ungaya ngaphuzo ungaya kodance ungaya kokwenzani kodwa bese uyaze esontweni nje hayi asekho isona soba nje esobalela kuwena ngoba wena uthe ngiyamamukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi finish sekwanela kusadingeka ukuthi uthi neSatanic Bible iyakuvumela na uSatan umfakazela kanjani uNkulunkulu this is why I said that verse was hijacked ngoba masulufunda kahle uqala ku verse 1 uthola icontext yayo ihlukile kunalo 8 no 9 abasuke bewucaphula but mfundisi ngiyacabanga ukuthi usazozivakashela siphinde sikhulume kahle nami ngiyicaphuna nje
yeah
nampi fangidedela umfundisi ngicela ucaphuna kancane ngeke angikanta
okay
umfundisi there are what I can call Mosaic laws of grace.
Okay, yes.
Christian laws of grace.
True.
Yeah. Let me steer clear of them. Mina ngiye African laws of grace.
Okay.
Now, one of the most important African law of grace ubuntu. Umuntu ngabantu. So there is nothing that can happen in the community. You're not going to experience grace because grace results into a community manifestations. You can only experience grace olwintini manibambisene nisebenza ngendlela eyodwa inempokophelo eyodwa nihlonipha ubunina nazisa nomdalo wenu. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to go for 3 only. Number 2, the very critical law of grace, it says at the helm of creation there is a mother law. It's respect for women. Then men will experience grace if they honor their women. Futhi umuntu esifazane ngomthetho wesithu ungaphezulu umuntu esimama ungaphezulu, then men are recipient of the grace because women are manifestors. Men are realizers. Then bese kuthi wogcina in African laws. There's 33 laws of sex and love. There's 10 laws of grace. Then there's respect for the elders. Now, elders are the conduit for divine prosperity, grace and mercy. Meaning to say, when I'm from the Suzuzal, khona abantu about 64,000 ababakhona just to get down to you. If I go to your bone here in the humor, I can extract almost a severity of it in that actually demonstrates the number of people that have given birth to you. Therefore, respect our elders is not about bowing to the elders, greeting them and helping them when they're walking. It's about honoring them as people who gave us a passage to the universe. Umunkosi azwakhe kuqa akaguqeli wena usuke guqela umndeni wonke, paying homage to it and thanking that. That is why such women are highly prized, highly respected and highly honored. Nehlonipho umngamiyeza hey uyazi le ntombi yangena yafike yazotha yasibuza ukuthi sesidlile nesenzele ukudla iguqa kobabi banikeza wabona amakhehla kwabanye kuhlengezela inyembezi because they felt honored and they felt that their ancestry was honored. Those are the laws of grace ekutheni mfundisi. I'm curious ukuzwa ukuthi athina wena ka Christianity.
Mfundisi,
bless you. No, mhlawumbe ake ngize la Christianity. La ngokweBhayibheli, ake ngeBhayibheli. Yeah. Khona into ubaba uNkulunkulu ayenzile. Ufike wabiza Moses. Uma ebiza uMoses umisa kwiMount Sinai. Ufike ungena kwi-cleft etsheni enomfato la uNkulunkulu ayithuma uMoshe ufuna ukubona yena ufuna uNkulunkulu la ke ebona umhlane wakhe la khona uMoshe wakwazi ukubhala wonke lamabooks wakwazi ukwabhala efihliwe kwiCleft wayesebhala uNkulunkulu imithetho eyishumi uthe uNkulunkulu yena zibazele nje these 2 tablets of stones ungabhali lutho okwakho nje ukubaza you know uNkulunkulu utshela umuntu ukuthi ba responsible ngento yakho ingakuthi uyisho wethi uyakhona nizosiphila athi yebo athi khula kwakho ukusindisile so uma enyuka lama 2 tablets of stones lithi iBhayibheli then God engraved ama 10 commandments
true
uyabona yoqala ungabe nabantu ngaphandle kwami ungazenze ithobe baziweyo wesibili wesithathu ungaliphathi ingeze wes4 khumsule sabatha wes5 khiphi nyoko wes6 ungabulali 7 ungaphingi 8 ungebi 9 ungafaza amanga 10 ungafisa aba u10 lama laws. By the way, akusiwona kaMoses. I often hear abantu bethi ama 10 commandments akaMoses. Akusiwona kaMoses. They were never written by Moses. They were written by umuntu kaNkulunkulu when you read the book of Exodus chapter 31 verse 17 and also Deuteronomy chapter 10 from verse 1 to 5. Abhalwa uNkulunkulu ngomunwe wakhe. Ima akwa uMose akwazi ukubhala imithetho ngomunwe. Angaye eAlbert Lithuli eyokhanda umuntu. Bo uNkulunkulu okwazi ukubhala etsheni la umuntu angazokubhala khona. You know uyahlake nawo. Buka ukuthi kwenzakalani. Manje lapha eGibhithe angithi kwakunethixo zazikhona. Kwakhona no Apisbull inkomo yeyikhonza lapha eLukozeni so ngesikhathi beqala bethatha imicici nemigexo bathi asifuna umuntu ozolingana no Apisbull waseGibhithe but sifuna ingane kaApisbull ehlane that's why bakha ithole because bathi siqhubeka nento yalapha phakathi uyamcanga ukuthi uMoses uphetheni la uphethe imithetho and oqala nomthetho ukhombisa umona kaJehova ngomuntu uthi ungabi nabanye uNkulunkulu listen into yokuqala bayibonayo babona uMoses ubuka ukuthi lo mthetho oqala usuvule usuphuliwe ukuthi ungasenze litho bebaziwe owesibili umthetho othi ke ungayikhonza usuvule usuphuliwe futhi that why uMoses wenze njani yonke lemithetho lamatshe wayesevele ewaphahlaza phansi afa aphela usethi uJehova lalela ke Moses lento wenzila ngiyifuni usethi ke Moses phinda futhi uyibazile amanye amatshe uyazi uNkulunkulu la umfundisi wami akasho ukuthi we Moses ngiyayicela imithetho yami cela uyibhala injobe binjalo ngiyayicela ngoba ungenza isiphukuphuku lithi uNkulunkulu waphinde wawaloba amazwi njenga kwesekuqaleni weyizolwa khombisa ukuthi ayilotshwanga uMoses ilotshwe uNkulunkulu nansi ke trick la ikhona usethi kuNkulunkulu kuMoses akha iArk of Covenant umpholo wesivumelwano bese uthatha lemithetho uyifake phakathi ibe khona wayifaka uMoses phakathi lalilaka uMoses ebhala leminye imithetho yaJehova le10 kwaba khona ebhalwa uMoses iBhayibheli encwadini lapha ku Deuteronomy chapter 31 from verse 24 25 26 wayiloba mfundisi wami uMoses yena ngesandla sakhe usethi ke kumaLevi amaLevi ayithola umphongolo because uMoses wangawuthini umphongolo amaLevi ayephatha umphongolo labapriest usethi ke uMoses ke ngiyakulento esho umbuzo ukuthi ayaJehova ithini usethi ke uMoses uzani labaLevi khamla bayezaka usethi ke uMoses webaLevi phakathi kunemithetho kaJehova le u10 thatha le yami engibhalile ibhalule nini ngenxa ngiyahlubuka ningayifaki phakathi it kodwa ibekeni eceleni komphongolo izwa it place it beside the ark uthi ibe khona bese imelana nani ngemelo yayo hayi ngemelo yakhe ngemelo yayo uyabona why ibekwe eceleni Leo 6:13 yayibekelo ukuthi yayi type ye-antitype yayikhomba uYeshua owayezofika izogcwaliseka ngokufika kwenkosi uKristu Jesu wonke amaphasika phasika tabernacles trumpet jubilees ngingayibala ibe mningi yiyo lena ke athe inkosi mayisifika isizofa nayo leseceleni nayo yafa yaphela but le ephakathi the 10 commandments are still valid so uma abantu bethi asikho phansi komthetho bachitha yabona kunomuntu othi megeza izitsha achithe nespoon namanzi namamanzi nendisha lahle konke usazodinga indishi no chitha into echithiwa wena ulethe into esafuna endlini so eyachithwa akusi 10 commandments because if ya 10 commandments why phosi ngaphinga phela why uthi futhi usindisiwe why uyigcine ngoba phela imithetho iyagcina iyachithwa why phosi ngabulali asibulale phela bakithi ngoba ukubulala vele kwachitha umthetho othi ungabulali so ayichithwanga these 10 commandments but only the ceremonial laws eyachithwa sithola kubani sithola ku Colossians chapter 2 verse 14 ithi esehlangule incwadi yecala lethu emelana nathi ngimelo ya ithi waseyisusa hayi lesematsheni lesencwadini bese verse 16 ke ngakho ke akungafunyana umuntu ozonilahla ngokudla nesiphuzo nangamasabatha by the way isabatha lichithwa amasabatha achithwa ilawa ayisencwadini iyayibeke eceleni komphongolo wesivumelwano but the weekly sabbath as I said it was never done away with because lilapha kwikhombo ye creation alizange liyenziwe ngoba umuntu esonile libe khona umuntu engakoni ayikho lapha namhlanje mhlawumbe so dwell mat one day sibuke kahle ukuthi ithini into but imithetho kaNkulunkulu ke le u10 ukwasho baba Samboti ukuthi uthe verse 5 verse 17 uMateyu what angizange ukuzochitha umthetho naba prophet uthi ngizogcwalisa ufulfill lapha usho to uplift to uphold alisho ukuthi awusekho uthi ngizo upholda ngizoqinisa ukuthi umuntu kade umbulela ngenyama noma usumbulela ngenhliziyo nje wamcabanga intempi usumbulela nokuphinga akusekho ukuphinga kulana kuphela but wamkhalukela ngenhliziyo ngeso lakho usuphingile but yonke leyo mthetho ayizange zichithwe so ithola lama sesithi khona ke to the law of love sesi break it down la khona isazemthetho sithi imuphi umthetho omkhulu nombalekile la uJesu eshimyele ewu2 the love kaNkulunkulu the love of the neighbor so I break it down for nayo
mfundisi yazi lapho eyethu yokhokho bethu ayengena uthene u42 and umubheka it happened almost 200,000 years before Moses ever came to our shores meaning to say the arrival of Moses within the historical data of Christianity we already had these laws one of them my honor virtue ngazisa ukuziphatha kahle ngizocaphuna nje random le ngishebo engikuthanda kakhulu I can be trusted awushaya umthetho awushaya la umfundisi I can be trusted so this is how negative confessions would happen thina sas volunteer so this is how we trained our children on these laws le ingane zethu zonke Africa zaziya ko Thebes nako Luxor on the river Nile iyofunda lemthetho up until izifike kokuthiwa houses of life up until what you call school today until izifike into what is known as grade 12 as we say today so ibisi yaphuma graduated with a behavior that is untraumatic non-deviant based on these particular laws that were actually given by our forefathers yonke imithetho ingane iphuma yazi ukuthi I'm kind I'm respectful I do good I give blessings I keep the water pure angichamele emazini aphuzo umphakathi I honor animals in reverence you know so ngifuna ufazela lento emithetho yachithwayo le yethu ayizange abrogate wayichithwanga it stood still till then it happened ukuthi khona imkhubo engasile yenziwa abantu baqale ababaholi bezinkolelo doctrine they would create this false sabbath so that they can get an opportunity of worshiping their private gods I promise you so kutheme sekuqhamuka society no laba they've got their own Shabbat where they worship gods not the God that we've been instructed to worship yes yachithwa ke leyo mthetho but now tell that to the modern day pastor I understand there so ngizama ufazela umfundisi about the ones that were in the covenant and the ones that were outside the covenant imithetho yachithwayo are the laws that were outside the covenant
sibonge hayi umfundisi mina nje umfundisi mangekulalele umfundisi Olifant sorry usuqhamukane ihloko eziningi kakhulu engazi ukuthi sizozenze njani mhla ubuya ziningi ngiyayibu yabo even nje lese kwasasho wathi ukona akuqali ngokwenza qala ngokucabanga no Jesu yakusho lokho ukuthi mawumbukile usuphingile so ziningi lokho izihloko mfundisi umthembu yabo isikhathi sakho nakuze ngesilimi.
Alright, umsakazo wakhomba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Alright ke nami Sambothi nginama topic amaningi manje. Nginama topic amaningi, but what I would like us to look at Mrs. Boya ukuthi how then do we now today Caesar umzalwane can I speak conclusively because umfundisi umzalwane nomzalwane how then do we help umzalwane wanamhlanje unonduduzo ukuthi ke abalances athi come back useya realize manje ukuthi ngingathi ngithathe ufast lane ngagijima ne grace ngawushiya umthetho kaNkuluNkulu and umuzobhekisisa kahle eminye ezinye inkolo that have their own laws and that keep their own laws. Look at the stability and busu uthatha ikhaya ubumuzwa kaMthembu ubumuzwa kaSambothi ogcina umthetho. Look at the stability, look at the effectiveness yekhaya eligcine umthetho yakhona. So ngamanye amazwi ukubaleka komthetho, how do we then come back and say let us keep umthetho but also sibambisise ne grace? It is Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio ishumi mzuzu bumelelana ke ihora leshumi nanye khona la emsakazweni wakhomba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Happy Africa Day if you're African, embrace being an African. Happy Africa Day. Sifundise ke nabantwana bethu kuba kethi ukuthi ke baziqhenye, bazazi ukuthi bangobani, bazazi ukuthi basukaphi. Umsakazo wakhomba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Second ama guest amla prophet sisaqhubeka kuyona indaba yomusa nomthetho. Sure. Mhlawumbe ke into kade ngifisa ukuyilento zala Sambothi ukuthi ke now how do we help someone who said I've been taught grace noma ke some abanye abantu they've never really paid attention to grace. Sure. And also not having paid attention to grace, they've never paid attention to imithetho kaNkuluNkulu. Wazi umuntu ukuthi mina ngisindisiwe ngiyakholwa zombili lezi insika akaza bambelele zona omunye ubambelele ngala wadedela ngala. How then do we bring back lo muntu ke say okay njengoba kade sikhuluma nje manje simvulile umqondo. Where do I start now?
Okay, very good question. Kufanele sibuyele back sifuze iBerean Church.
Okay.
Mawufunda incwadi yama Acts chapter 17 verse 13. Lithi abaseBerea babe bahle. Uyabona khona abazalwane. Ithi abaseBerea babe bahle. Kunabase Thessaloniki ithi bathi mebezizelo zethu lithi babehlola imibhalo imihla ngemihla ukuba zinjalo nileso zethu. You know, now into ebhlungu umfundisi asikuveze nami as a pastor. Asibambanga kakhulu izwi, sibambe intshumayelo kakhulu.
True. Nami ngiyavumelana nawe la.
You know, sabanjwa amadlingozi entshumayelo. Sabanjwa ukuthi umuntu ucabangana umfundisi wakhani. Wakhalida yakhayo yakhe, wakhali empire yakhe.
Omunye wayenza isibonelo thina sakuthatha.
Sakuthatha literal sihamba nako uthi you know, namhlanje uzothola uPastor Olifante waye umcode, uPastor NJ, uPastor Mthembu, uPastor Miezo, uPastor Thelisi. Sikwazi ukuquote abantu singaliquote izwi kakhulu. You know, but if abantu singababuye babe grounded abantu benziwe baba ama disciples, benziwe baba abafundi abafundi bezwi likaNkuluNkulu. By the way uTimothy wesibili chapter 2 verse 3 uthi ithi ngokuba kuhle kuyabongeka emehlweni kaJehova it othanda kuba bonke abantu basindiswe bese ethi ke bafinyelele eklazini eqiniso because indaba sisho bazalwane balaleli benanda FM indaba ayikho ensindisweni enye into le efuna ke sibuye sibheke sibamba insindiso too much sama ne CV yensindiso you know even the devil uHashatan uSatan qobo lakhe akana nensindiso ulisindiswa nandaba nalokho akana ndaba nensindisa uyazi kangcono kunawe uyazi kangcono kunawe futhi ngayicula futhi akutshela even ama tricks out enza kanje uzuzwakala kamnandi into kodwa ekuyiyona abantu ekunesibalethi kuyona iqiniso ukulazi iqiniso not insindiso insindiso injengani yabona ukuthi basinamafoni imfundisi amafoni siwaphatha alama password manga singena imessage ngeke ngikwazi ukungena endabeni efonini kaBaba Umyeza ingaqalanga ngayicela ipassword kanti ngizwa manje ngicela ama password alikwazi access into yakhe ipassword ingekho so noma thi uyawubona umyalezo nawe efonini ukhona ungenile kodwa awukwazi ukufunda it means awukwazi ukufinyelela eqinisweni lomyalezo ngaqala kwipassword so insindiso ipassword uma usindisiwe wangena kuyona qhubeka phela so uSathane usibambe wasivala insindisweni sangaqhubeka safinyelela insindisweni so insindisi njani iqiniso limbulwa ukwazi izwi neqiniso la abantu kumele sibafundise lona abantu iqiniso ngoba uJesu akasho uJesu uthi ngendlela nensindiso no uthi mina ngendlela neqiniso uthi niyakulazi iqiniso iqiniso kanjani yakunikhulula so abantu kumele bafundiswe ke siyeke into yeinkonzo namasonto ukuthi wena uphethe minister ukuthi kupaka imoto ama Porsche nama Rolls Royce wena wakhe glass house but it's not about that those things are immaterial by the way ukutsaka ngezinto ezibonakalayo ngoba naku ngimeje ngabantu abafuna odokotela no akusinto uJesu le anendaba nayo so into uJesu ufuna sibe grounded izwi libe embedded enhlizweni yakhe ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuqonda into zikaNkulunkulu ukufundiswa kwabantu kwathi ukushumela uzujuluka uthini mfundisi uMthembu hayi angazi umfundisi uMthembu ushumela uzasijuluka ngimazi uthini abantu baphuma enkonzo bengezwanga ukuthi babe namadlingo zakho nje iqiniso lutha lenziwa
inkonzo
linamandla some studies profound Bible studies in the church ebandleni but bazo alignwa nezwi kaNkulunkulu nentando hayi into yebandla ucela ukule ama constitution ebandla intando yebandla ebandleni azathi umuntu ebandleni lama kwenza ukuthi no it's not about your church it's about the word of God that's why into eyiningi uma usimbula ezwini ngathi ziyemelene nokukhonza kwabantu because abantu babamba into yabantu kakhulu uzasho njalo Mark 7:7 uthi nina senibamba isiko labantu kakhulu naye kumthetho wabo nibamba isiko labantu naye imiyalo yami that's the thing.
Friends, let's talk about the snake in the Garden of Eden. What does it symbolize?
What?
Alternative thought. Yeah. I'm uncomfortable. You mustn't. You devil out the snake too much. Nahash. In the Greek mythology. In the Greek mythology. In the Hebrew mythology, the snake is not seen as evil. In the African cosmology, don't see the snake as evil. What do I see the snake in the Garden of Eden? A cognitive thinking yomuntu. And this is in your Eden represents into both good and evil. The snake is cunning, quick, protective. It strikes hard to the enemies. Don't you think you would love a woman like that? When I'm from this, who's protective? Loyal ngizamandla kuyakhona ukuthi today umfundisi opened a can of worms for me to look deep into Eden other than the shallow attitude that we carry in looking at the Garden of Eden, which is based on blemish and criticism and quick judgment, without going deep into the symbolism and what it actually meaning. Remember, kubantu abamnyama the idea yase Eden inganekwane exoxa kaNuti noGebe ukuze abantu ba understand uthando namandla nombuso kaNkulunkulu. because there is no evidence that Sazolo otherwise that will call us to many complications about the racial makeup, composition, right? But we look it upon as a very strong symbol that determines the progeny of mankind as we see them. Two, Garden of Eden, in fact, today, uThabo is a master of covenants. uThabo ngaqala ukuba ne depth yama covenants babumpela, but uThabo enlightened further. Today, look at the type of covenants that we have. Ayikho into esingenayo covenant. Sine covenant ngotshwala of late. Sine covenant ngeprostitution. And cabanga ithini siyenza iprostitution. Uthatha intombazane, it all boils down to the Garden of Eden. Uthatha intombazane. Uhlale nayo keep it. Bese uthenga umzimba yona ngokuyiphi imali uyilokhoza. Uyisupply ingenzi lutho yona. Uyinikeza imali. That is prostituting a woman. What about the grace yakhe yokwazi ukuyifundela ukuyimela wenza zonke izinto athanda ukuzenza? It's taken away based on control. Immediately we have violated the laws of balance. You know. Now this woman is going to be dependent again. Does grace allow dependence? No, grace does not preach dependence. The mercy of God is equal to anybody. Nobody must live at the control and manipulation of another person just because he's paying for sex again. Now, young human beings, we work against grace. That's the evil side. Let's look at the good side. The snake by the Nahash. In other communities, the snake is a symbol of strength, power. Even in medical science, the snake is representation. But Abutab has got other ideas about the presence of snake in symbolism. So the snake here negotiates a deal with whoever. But no, give it a try. You know, okay, that is the mind of a human being. Every human being has a serpent. You know, a serpent that sometimes can assist you if the laws of truth and the laws of grace are honored. But a serpent that can come to bite you if you violate the laws of truth and grace and mercy.
And I think, you know, he makes you think. He makes you think. Mfundisi, asibuyele kuwena mfundisi. Yeah, nangba mdabe ebeka udaba lenyoka ezimina se-Eden.
No, mhlawumbe ke into ithi masibheka kwi creation.
Yes.
Yonke into uJehova yenze lapha. Njoba silibona ilanga likhona, aliqalanga lapha. Liqa kwi creation. Asikuvumi ulwandle li creation. Yonke into ekhona iqale lapha kwi creation.
Yeah.
Umshado uthi umuzi sashada and yes sashada iqale creation. You know, yonke into ubusuku nemini buhloniswe creation. Kuba nguAbraham no prophet bani nobani. Creation uyena washoyo. You know, owesilisa nesifazane creation, creation. Ukuthiwa zalani nande kwi creation usho njalo. You know. So now nansi uNkulunkulu ayikhuluma wayesethi ke akithi lezi hlahla ezu2 ayitshalayo. uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Zazikhona lezi hlahla. So ibuka ngeilanga uma sesingena ku Revelations mofuna incwadi yesambulo chapter 22 verse 14 elisizulu vele libeke angazi ukuthi lo muntu we interpret labo weyicazana if ithi babusiwe abahlanza ingubo zabo. That's not it. It into blessed are those who do my commandments. It ukuze babe ne access to the tree of life. Mhlabe so ibheka kwi new life, kwi new creation now. So that lo muntu wokuphila wawukhona.
Yes.
Wawukhona nje. That umuthi okwazi ukuthi wawukhona.
Yes.
And ilwane zazikhona. The snake yahikhona. Ingakho uFruit chapter 3 ithi inyoka yayisilwane. Ngoba ayona iparable akuyona imfuziselo nento ukuthi kwakuyiparable. Kwakhulunywa ngento eyenza ngempela. Ithi inyoka yayisilwane esinobuqili. kunazo zonke ilwane uJehova bezenzile because inyoka yakhiwe uNkulunkulu. So yayingonanga inyoka, ayikazi yona inyoka, yayingonile ngasesikhathi. But buka kwenzakalani. Ulokhuza uSatan himself used ukwasho babamyeza usebenzisa iwisdom nokushesha nokukhohlisa nokuqitha kwenqondo kwenyoka ukuze ukwazi ukulutha ingqondo yomuntu. You know, ngoba ithi into uSathane uyazi uSathane inyoka enjani, inyoka yangakhiwe nje bayikhiwe ngakhona. Inyoka yayinenyawo. Inyoka could also fly. Yayinamaphiko othi uma uhamba ngaphansi kwayo kwaungathi wena ubona ama discolites because yayibenyeze indle enhle ngayo. Owathi ngesikhathi mhla isidlise isikwazi ukuthi ngokuqili ngokuhlanipha kwayo uSathane ayisebenzisa wayese uNkulunkulu ekhuluma isiqalekiso phezukwayo yahlutha amaphiko zasuswa inyaka kwathi uyokhupha umhlabathi wena. So kwaba from there usele uJehova kulalelake lenyoka enibona isiyisitha isiwubutha oyibonayo kanze njani ayibulala iyokuchoboza isithende sowesifazana and asikho uNkulunkulu isilwane asho njalo ngaphandle kwenyoka even injaka zangasho ngayo usho enyokeni kuphela. Ngifuna ubukeke uthi sangana kweyizinto ufuna ubukeke ukuthi ke uma thina siphila sithanda kanjani inyoka the very same into ekwakhulunywa ngayo eBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu ekhuluma ngayo uma siyibuka siyayithanda wangena ubani nangusibani the very same thing lengxoxo yabakhona phakathi kuEva nenyoka namhlanje ingxoxo isekhona ayiphelanga uma siyibona ingene sakwazi ukuxoxa sikhuluma izinto kuyona as uEva wakazi ukuxoxa nawe ukukhuluma naye yagcina ngokwe wisdom yayo yakwazi ukuthi iguqule ukushintsha kwezwi uJehova alikhulumile phezukwayo. So yonke into ngizama ukuthi yonke into kwikhombo kwi-creation yayikhona yayiliterally ayizange ize ibe yiparable noma iumzekelo.
Okay, mfundisi just a silly question.
Yeah.
Uthe uSathane wangena emqondweni wenyoka ukuze inyoka ikwazi umanipulate uEve.
Yeah,
right. So
ngoba inyoka ngena uSathane.
Yeah, inyoka ngena uSathane.
Yeah,
correct. We agree on that. Here's my question ukuthi ke why uNkulunkulu azongena such extremes to punish inyoka and knowing ukuthi it's not a fault yenyoka to have that mind. I guess it's nangu umfundisi umyeza Bishop umyeza unebandla elikhulu you know and yonke into ihamba kahle then uSathane bese faka umqondo kumina ukuthi ngidisrupt umyeza endleleni yakhe noma elentuzeni yakhe so the source of lo mcabango is not me. I'm not sure if you get it.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
The source of the lo mqondo lo it's Satan.
Yeah.
Why would God punish inyoka and not punish uSathane himself?
No, uNkulunkulu wengeve ufuna ukuphanyisa inyoka, wengeve uJehova ufuna ukuphanisha inyoka. No. Akekho uJehova umuntu efuna umphanisha ova kaphanishana. Ayikho ufuna umphanisha. Injengani le injengokuthi why uNkulunkulu anga-allow ukuthi umzukulu adle ngolugogo. Simple. Asiya inyoka incane isilwane. Why would uNkulunkulu angasebenzisa umzukulu adle ngolugogo azambulala amnquma uqhoqhoqo umzukulu khona ngomuntu ophuma enyameni? Why would ubaba oshade nonkosazi wakhe ambulala amgqibe kungaziwa? Uyabo? So akusiyo uNkulunkulu owenze lonto olethe lonto phezulu kwamzukulu. You know, so uJehova ufuna siphile thina kodwa into enge choice lana mfundisi. Enge choice la it's all everything inge choice. Uyakhetha ukuyebini uzathi kuDeuteronomy athi yazi ngibele ukufa nokuphila. Uthi kepha ngithi khetha ukuphila kube kuyimini. Ngiyakhetha ukufa uthi khetha ukuphila. You know, so uSathane akazange adede noNkulunkulu uJoseph newona ezulwini he transgressed wafa elect imithetho kaNkulunkulu lapha masithula ku Ezekiel 28 lithi wawuyikhirobe elihle lisibekelayo but ithi ke ngenxa uthi even amatshe omlilo ayikuthobela kusho ama-archangels ama-cherubims uyabona ithi ayikuthobela but ngokuthi wapha waba ne-pride wesehliselwa yaze inkulu yaze yindi indaba wemfundisi lalela ngesikhathi umuntu esonile isitha sesingene ngenyoka akuNkulunkulu akazange uJehova weSathane hamba inyokeni no uSathane wabo okay nathi ngizoyisebenzisa ezokwazi ukufast track into engifuna ukuthi yenzeke
yeah
we understand into ngisho nathi into ngeke ngisebenzise inje izoloku ifuna ukukhonkotha lokuba ngesicefe lokudlala but inyoka iyashesha quick you know inana izokwazi icebo lami because uJehova ungikhiphile nami uzokwazi ukuzokhipha icebo lakhe kubantu ungakhohle ukuthi uthe umuntu esedlile emfundisi wami uyazi uSathane wenza njani uSathane wama entabeni uyazi wenza njani wama uSathane entabeni waclaim ikingdom wayithatha ikingdom ngoba wayesethi lo muntu Adam oyiking on earth oyipriest on earth ngoba ayikho king without a dominion ayikho dominion without a king ato ikingdom wa claim uSathane umbuso wathi usungo wakhe sengizobusa khona lemhlabeni uyazi ibona ephileni ibona mawufunda uMatthew chapter 4 la khona uYeshua eyake entabeni ekade izila ukudla ufica uSathane imanga uthini uSathane yena uthi hayi khuleka mina isho kumina ngiyakunikeza yonke imibuso imanga who the hell is he ungubani thanks dad ungubani yena uSathane ongatshela inkosi uJesu ukuthi mina ngizokwenza uinherit imbuso lokho wayethatha ngokweauthority ukuthi wawuntshontsha umbuso ngesikhathi uAdam eluze kingship kuGenesis so wawuclaim wabuyela kuyena so uma ethi mina ke ngizokunikeza umbuso usashaya ihlabekisa ukuthi wena Jesu umbuso wakho kumina ngawuthatha kubantu bakho lapha ku-creation you know ngizama ukuthi ke akazange uNkulunkulu athuma inyoko uSathane hamba ongena enyokeni no njengoba engakuthumi na uthamba uyodaba akakuthuma athuma uJehova into enjalo but isithe sisone sifinyelela into yeah the self will yes
you see for instance konke ngisho uyazi ukuthi a very powerful man with holy thoughts with the most holiest thoughts
yeah
ake ngigcizelele into nje I'm not going to run around ngoba ngifuna emphasize that the concept of a devious mind. I like the Jewish word that says head, you have deviated. It doesn't say sin, it says head, which means to deviate. You know, if you take the most holiest man, the saint of saints, I would tell him ukuthi emqondweni wakhe akazaphasa ama sexual thoughts. Imagine himself having a sizzling sex with a beautiful maiden. Yes, it does. You know, have you ever thought a man thinking, a pope thinking, I wonder what it would look like if I were to rape my daughter. And once what dlula lo mqondo, then the body goes into a shock. Why is the body goes into a shock? Something has happened with nervous system yakhe. Akuyena. Akuyena lo ucabangela umcabango. Ukuthi I wonder ukuthi urape indoda zami ngabe into bese vele shocking. Then he says, oh God, may you forgive me. That was the devil. That's not, it's your thoughts.
Okay.
What has happened is your thoughts can either destroy you or your thoughts can heal you. And then you then immediately, instead of addressing the devil, you address your thought. With Almighty God, I don't need such thoughts. But now I understand why men allow these thoughts up until they carry out the deed. You know that. But umuntu ongakazazi adlule emcabangene lokho, then he's not nomad. Wonke umuntu wesilisa nomad, those thoughts have passed with him. Ngiyapla ngekhona. Ngifuna ukufaza the concept of self-will. Abantu bebeyinyanya temptation engilingekile no temptation is a blessing for this. Temptation is a blessing. What temptation does for you is this. It presents a moment when nangu sis uyayiwela usenkonzweni, I'm an overseer, I'm a pastor. Akuwele and as a flatter literally with you. Yeah, which is flirting. Now, that's temptation. So, musu attacker because you are attacking yourself.
Okay.
Attacker weakness when musu condemn. You're going to lose the battle. condemn weakness. I to condemn when I condemn weakness. Automatic God, this one is a temptation and things all. So simple, John.
Alright, umsakazo kama phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Ngiyabona ama comments apha ku Facebook sobuya sithi ukwabheka khona kancane lapha nje ku Facebook. Alright ke okwamanje sigijime siphuza amanzi. Alright ke umsakazo kama phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Alright ke ama comment engisahlakana nawo lapha bundabenhle okay. Can I ubani umlamuli mbongwa. Okay, ezinye zezinto in order for us ukuthi sikwazi ukuyichaza we need to go back to Hebrew translations. Sure. We need to go back to the Greek. Yes, we need to go back to isilungu. So I understand ukuthi umsakazo wesinto but ke if it's not 100% Zulu yabo. So khona the complaint athi ngathi seni too much senisibizelo oyashua yabo. But it's not about that, it's about us if siwazi ukuthi sifundisise singabarobha abantu ngoba abantu barojiwe abantu.
Sure.
Yabo. Truth is sirojiwe umfundisi uyazi. Umfundisi aqala ngichaza kanje. Umfundisi oqale esebenzisa naye amanye amavesi washumayela bhekele ngomusa kaNkuluNkulu baphenduka abantu. Umuthe bese siqalile sesihambile sesifunda manje sifike eBible College sesiyathola ukuthi hayibo leli vesi alikhulumi leli sesishumayela ngayo.
Yeah.
You understand why?
Akusiyo nje le.
Asondela nokusondela. But ngashumayela ngajuluka ngomusa kaNkuluNkulu baphenduka abantu angazi nami kanjani kodwa baphenduka abantu but sesesibuyela ke manje ngokukhula ngoba phela noPaul yasho ukuthi ngiseyimntwana ngadla okwengane sengikhulile. So njengamanje ke sihleli nobaba uNdabenhle la senothabo, those people are giving us a gist. Nompostoli lana is giving us the background and the gist ukuthi ke ilento. So manje in order ukuthi ayichaze lento ingene kuthina he needs to go back to law my languages. So umlalela angakhubeki uma ebona ukuthi sisebenzisa leya it's because silanda umongo wendaba.
Kusho ukuthi mfundisi masethwa ake ngikhuluma isiGreek nesiphi ngeke ngibangiswe enhloko. Ngoba ngesibusiso angenza ngemodern Hebrew ngenze the old Hebrew le enkulu le ndala
hayi koine Greek isifana
hayi le yamanje you know I think more than 20 years phesha kwelwandle 1997 so ngaze buya ngabo 2014 15 lapho so izinto eziningi abantu abaningi abazazi that why makhona imsakazo enje ethi mahala ha uhlele kha ungakhokhanga mhlawumbe izinto lezibaba abantu mhlawumbe bayikhokhela abantu mhlawumbe bayakhokha abantu ngoba nathi kwakhokha ngempilo yethu nginami ngaphuma le ngijahwa uphophu kumele ukuthi ngadetainwa ngabukela ngabhelelwa abantu la South Africa yanguze ngize ngikwazi ukuphila you know so ngizama ukuthi ke mhlawumbe akakhubeki umlaleli you know njengoba get esho no baba isina olokozana ona hash ufuna ukungena kulelo gama leli ngempela you know ngoba thina sazi ezinye izinto kanti lethi sizazi yakuzona kahle
yes
so ngizama ukusela wena emfundisi wami lapha cha ngela siyongena kusiHebrew kusiGreek nakusiLatin nakusiAramic singene si dissect yonke into ngokwe background ngokwe context yesu
yes
yeah
hayi yabo mina nawe
ufanele ukubizwa ngompostoli kanti unemhozuko
hayi kancane
hayi tshotha akudidekanga bekumoya bale ukuthi
apostoli
hayi kancane
bekumoya uyaphika nje umoya ukhulumile athi umpostoli yakho kuyaveza ukuthi nekhaya yabona kuningi esingakutholanga uma siqala uhlelo sazoke ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe sixoxele ngale history yakho nohambo ijourney yakho uze ufike nalolu lwazi
bese sihlebela ukuthi babe bangani noPope
ngani leyo ngisho ukuthi yabona manje engathi the next time simthola kahle angasidinga nje i-background yazi kumnandi umuntu uthi niqala ke senikhuluma
Yeah.
lento wayithola sikhathi njengoba ekhuluma isiGreek wasibamba sikhathi
Yes.
isukela la kodwa sesinayo leyo background kodwa ke kuzohamba khamba ngicela ukugoqa mangibuka bathi ufunda ama comment
Yeah.
azamsini
Yeah, no ubani umunye la ubani uSimphiwe Madondo. Okay. All right. Okay, good. There's some questions that are not really questions, but okay. Khona uthi my question to the pastor mhlawumbe ngimbuzele lo. All right, my question to the pastor: when Abel was murdered by his brother Cain, why didn't God or your God protected him, yet he protected Cain from the outsiders? And Cain cried to God that he made protection from the other humans outside the Eden. And God said, I will protect you and no one will kill you or put a seal on you. Why didn't God protect Abel from Cain? Yet he protected Cain. Does God have mercy on people? And if he does, why is he allowing death? Why in the Bible seems he kills or allows killing so many times in the Bible? You have never heard Satan in the Bible killing people more than God in the Bible. Why? That's the first question. Okay, okwesibili it's rather a statement that he makes, but ke sikubambe lo mbuzo oqala. So ngifuna ukugoqa nje into yakhe lapha noSimphiwe Madondo uthi ke shame with the emoji ekhalayo uthi this pastor ngazo show muphi should show me ne. This pastor is trying to explain the Bible. He even don't know what he is saying. The Bible's translation is King James, who was a Freemason, and the story of Adam and Eve is a lie, and the story was stolen from the Roman text of the Samaritan text, which you don't know about it. The story of the tree of knowledge and good and evil was actually happened when Enki, who was the Anunnaki gods, told even who is in ISIS about the truth, wara, and there's a whole lot of story.
nami ngithi ngiyalapho
You see, here's the problem, Thabo. Khona abantu who go into Google bathole all myths YouTube, Greek mythology, Asian mythology, Hebrew mythology, Egyptian mythology, and African mythology. Negama liyasho mythology which is wavelela ngene. Now ama mythologies I'm heard with this day and age khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi they apply in human life. All they do, they provide symbolism and suggestibilities which ingenzeka ukuthi kwakwenzeke nje kodwa njalo. You can't uma sithi sizothina savela enyokeni futhi inyoko kwakunomamlambo kwasihlanza kwaphuma inkosi ethi inkosi azalwa. Imyth akekho umuntu ongazalwa inyoka. Inyoka does not possess the maternal makeup and biological makeup, you know that ilanga cannot open itself and then kufuma abantu. But these myths are good. Siyawathanda ama myths. Even umali Dome Some, the Burkina Faso professor passed away. Uyasho ukuthi you need symbolism. They remind you of the greatness of yourself. Izenza ukuthi all lokakushilo imyth.
Yes. And abevela ngathi
umlaleli la ukukhuluma into eziningi kodwa akukho akuthinta ngelaw and grace lesikhuluma ngayo. So ngicabanga ukuthi ukuphendula iningi lalezinto ngimthola umlaleli eveza ulwazi analo kodwa olingahlangene nento esikhuluma ngayo la
naye futhi olingamsiza
so nalento ukuthi umfundisi ukhuluma into angayazi ngoba lento yathathelwa la indaba kaAnu nobani ya indaba zo anu nobani na njengoba besho udimbani imythology eBhayibhelini naseBhayibhelini zikho inganekwane mhlawumbe ngikubeke kanjalo into efana noma ufunda incwadi kaBaba uCredo Muthwa indaba my children mawufunda indaba my children igcwele inganekwane but ziyafundisa izinto ethile naseBhayibhelini kuneinganekwane ezithile ezifihle futhi indaba ethile esuke ikhodiwe khona ukuthi ziyifihlile so idinga abantu abazoyi-unpack bese beyachaza leyo ndaba so ukuthi ini iyathathelwa la kuyicala yini makufana ngoba ikhona imythology ecishe ifana le story lesi nasi eSumeri nasi sisithola la Iraq say same story kodwa sikanje nakho sisithola la eKemet it's the same story kodwa la sichazwa kanje it's mythology lento eshoya inganekwane zicishe ifana
ngicela closing remarks khona debate la Thambothi siyabaziba ku WhatsApp for ama VN lapha nosikhumbuzo skills ngubani siyaxolisa kakhulu lapha ke in terms of ama WhatsApp wethu izinto zethu lapha ke asihlangana lapha in terms of network siyaxolisa kakhulu but going forward so kuzama ukuyilungisa leyo department but ke Thambothi mhlawumbe your closing remarks ubaba uNdabenhle nompostoli
nami ngixolise ngo live ngicina sengivele ngayeka ngoba uloku nqamuka so peace ngaba kuzobazo confuseka nabalaleli ukuthi wa post up ngoba uloku ngithi unqamuke ayisesize sawuyeka ngicela ukubuyela lapha ya ngoba ngelinye ilanga esobe sesikhuluma ngokuthi besikhuluma la ngelaw and grace ngathi bayithatha lapha ku Efesi 2:8 verse 8 and 9 muqashuna nawo lamavesi kodwa moyiqala ku1 uya nayo ku10 incwadi le engathi abanye bangayifunda lencwadi bayiqala Efesi 2:1-10 ake ngiyifunde kancane uniphilisile nani nanifile ngeziphambeko nangezono zenu u1 lo 2 enani kade nihamba kuzo ngokwendlela yalelizwe ngokombusi wamandla umkhathi ongomoya osebenza kubantwana bongalaleli yayizwa nje yokuqala iyasho ukuthi uniphilisile nani nanifile ngeziphambeko zenu kusho ukuthi nanona neziphambeko zenu hayi ukuthi wafika yena wayesethi ngoba ufikile hayi nina senithethelele ucha waniphilisa ngobani wayeza nomthetho evuselela imfundiso kaMdali enani kade nihamba kuzo ngokwendlela yalelizwe abantu babehamba ngendlela yalelizwe uma uzumntwana kaNkuluNkulu awuhambi ke njengabantu bonke noma njengabantu balelizwe kukhona izinto wona ezihlukaniselayo kuzona kodwa namhlanje abafundisi bathi noma ungenza noma yini noma ungadla noma yini noma ungenza noma yini as long as inkosi uJesu iyinkosi nomsindisi wena ususindisiwe but ifundeni yonke lencwadi Efesi 2 nishaya nje 1 nihambe na uzoyithola ukuthi ayikho lento eshiwo so i-closing remark yami lokubakhumbuza abantu ukuthi bayifunde kahle le yanto mhlambe kuma ekhona nenkingi sixolise lapha ngempela ku WhatsApp ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona bakhona abebeza nje namalokhuza azosilekelela kakhulu aba umndeni wala ekhaya ngiyabonga uThabo kaSambuthi ke utholakala ku 076 054 3833 076 054 3833 uya WhatsApp sengenzela njalo wena mphathi hlelo ungabe usabuyela kumina sengihembe
siyabonga
0766633954 balaleli babumyaza 0766633954 ngibonga kakhulu mfundisi
ake ngibonge kakhulu kodwa ke mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyenze le disclaimer ngqala ngathi ngizokhuluma isizweni
yes
ngikusho amabomu lokho and number 2 futhi mhlawumbe ke nabalaleli lethi sibathandayo babe na inhlonipho to address abantu ngoba I'm a pastor, I'm a man, I'm a husband to someone.
Yes.
And nami ngihlonipha umsakazo ukuthi ngifike la.
Yes.
Ngiyaqala ukufika la abangazi bangithole bangithola base beyangicela. So uyabona mawufika ekhaya uzothola izingane zasekhaya zikhuluma noma kanjani. Lokho zenza isimo singabi right.
Yeah.
Ngicanga ukuthi mhlambe ke abantu as address izinto ama issues ngendlela enobuhlakani nangendlela enenhlonipho phela ukuthi awukhulumi nomuntu nje but ukhuluma nomuntu on a reasoning ephezulu.
Yeah.
So ngiyazibongela mina kakhulu ke kodwa ke ngivale ngaleli ke lokuthi ke le issue yelo and grace asangisisho ngolutho nje.
Yeah.
Yeah, asiqalanga. Siqalile yes but angone breakfast. Start nasesingaphelelanga ukusneka nje ayikho into esingene kakhulu kuyona ngoba besazongena kakhulu sithi very deep kakhulu even inyushi sami ngizange besazwa kunyushi sami sibheke sidige very deep endweni ezithize esizazi nesicaba ukuthi zizona kanti akuzona so ke siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu siyabonga nokushare isihlalo nobabundabethe ngimhlonipha kakhulu. Thank you so much dad.
Thank you so much.
Yes no babu Sambothi siyabonga kakhulu no babu Mongameli inamba mfundisi Olifanti ke latholakala kuyona. By the way nginama group la ngifundisa khona I've got WhatsApp study groups.
Okay.
La khona engengithi abantu mebefuna ukungizwa even ngi off air noma ngikephi ukuthi ke ngiyakwazi ukuqhubeka sikwazi ukufundisa izinto ezinkulu lezi ejule hayi lezi sikhuluma pulpit lezi controversial abantu abathi ave ngikhonza ngisindisiwe but angingambulelwe ngazo so ngiba nama groups ke akhona engawenzayo umuntu nje akwazi ukuthi cha mfundisi nokusumangele mhlamba kwaSompisi noma ngakamphele ngihlala mhlambe eNandi noma ngihlala kaMashu noma ngihlala ekephi ukuze ngik-add egroupini la ngifundisa akuyona ebandla qobo cha eyabantu abalaleli abathandayo nje ukuthi bafuna ukufunda noma sengingasekho emoyeni la khona ngichaza khona izinto ke kahle nginesikhathi so inamba yami ke la ngitholakala khona ithi 073 171 1899 ngicela ukuphinde futhi 073 171 1899 ngangithinta ebusuku after 8 ngangithinga so senginomndeni wami my wife and my kids so ngisuke ngiphazamiseka kahle kakhulu ngangifonela ungiWhatsApp ya WhatsApp enza yonke into uma ufuna ukusho igama lakho lesibonga ukuthi uhlala kephi bese uyangitshela ukuthi kephi ke 073 171 1899 inamba yangu ngike groupini le abantu abafundayo yanko
asikwazi ukuvala ubaba unqengelele simshiye ngaphandle ngoba ubingelelile akakwazi ungavalelisi.
Siyabonga umuntu uthanda ukufunda into nje ngivusele mina ukuthi hlezi ngithanda ukukhulisa ingqondo yami nangokomoya nangokomphefumulo nangokwezwi hlale ngazi ngoba angithandi ukuthi le eshiwo Hosea yenzeke nakumina ukuthi siyahlupheka ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi ngiyangive ngilithanda yabona sengithola okuningi namanje ukuthi kudala abanye abantu babephila esonweni dala yabo nje indlela introduce ngayo baba uNdabe ngize ngathi abanye abantu babeyibiza ngaloko abanye beyibiza ngaloko bese ba uNkulunkulu abanye bethi yingakho kanti kunalemthetho ethi ungabi nabanye uNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami uNkulunkulu usho wayese yabona sengiyabaqonda yingakho ngelinye ilanga mina engikhululwa nalabo esikole kubona uNkulunkulu wavela wathi ngizokwehla ke manje ngibe umuntu ngize kunina ngoba anizwa hallelujah
amen. All right, kumsakazo wakho maphambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Sebonga kakhulu. Thank you so much to the panelists. Thank you so much for making your time and thank you so much for taking your time now lapha ekhaya and ulalele and hopefully udlile. Kwamina ngidlile. Kuningi engitholile. Kuningi Apostle siyabonga, bamdabenhle siyabonga and babu uSambothi siyabonga. And the fact that ukuthi as abantu and as Africans sesiyakwazi ukuhlala from different schools of thought and be able to make a conversation ekwazi ukuthi ifundise umuntu lokho it means ukuthi sesikwelinye izinga yabona sibonile kwamanye amazwe ama preterists nama fisheries bekwazi ukuthi behlale ndawonye ama mineralism bakwazi ukuthi bahlale in one table without debating but with coming out with isifundiso esisodwa and that's powerful mengicabanga sebonga kakhulu next week angazi noma uzobuya ni ulentoza noma ngizosambothi sesasala sesangihlale Alright, kumsakazo wakho mphambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio. Let's do this another time.